Good morning to all friends and viewers and students, and today's topic is question number 3, exercise 9.2. So in an AP, the first term is 2. So we'll write it here that first term is 2. So A is equal to 2. The first term is equal to 2. And the sum of the first 5 terms is 1 by 4th of the next 5 terms. So as the series is not given, so we will just let us assume that the series is like 2 plus d, 2 plus 2d, and 2 plus 3d, and 2 plus 4d, and so on. This is the first term, and this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, and this is the fifth term. And after that will be 2 plus 5d. So this is the fifth term. So this is the sum of the first 5 terms is given as. In AP the first term is sum of the first 5 terms. First 5 terms कितनी हो जाएंगी? So you have to find the first of 5 terms की हमने sum निकालना है. तो Sn is equal to n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d. D is the common difference. Okay? So what is the n? N is the number of terms. Number of terms is 5. So 5 by 2 because it is given here. And then the first term is some of the first 5 terms. First 5 terms we have to find it. So into 2a. What is the a? A is first term. First term is 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So what is n? N is 5. 5 minus 1 whole into d. So the common difference is second term minus first term. So second term is 2 plus d, first term is 2. So second term a2 minus a1 is equal to d. So this is equal to d. d आ जाएगा, ठीक है. यहाँ फिर third term minus second term. Third term minus second term is 2 plus 2d minus 2 minus d is equal to d. Because ये कट जाएगा और ये 2d minus d is d. So this is into d. So this is equal to 5 by 2 into 4 plus 4d. And if you take common here, 5 by 2 into 2 plus 2d. So this is equal to 2 gets cancelled. So 10 plus 10d. So this is the first equation. Now it is saying that sum of the first term is 1 by 4 of the next 5 terms. So next 5 terms कितनी हो जाएंगी इसकी? This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So this is the first term for the next AP. Next sum of the 5 terms. Next sum of the 5 terms कितनी हो जाएंगी ये? तो ये यहाँ से शुरू होगा. A plus 2 plus fifth term ये होगी तो 5d. 2 plus 5d, 2 plus 6d, 2 plus 7d, 2 plus 8d, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth term will be 2 plus 9d. So this is the series. So first term will be 2 plus 5d for this series. Sum of the next 5 terms. So this is 7 of the next 5 terms is equal to this was the sum of the 5 terms. ठीक है, ये next 5 terms है तो n5 कर देते हैं इसको. ठीक है. So first n by 2 is how much? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 हो जाएगा. ये फॉर्मूला है n by 2 into 2a. 2 into a. So 2 into a is how much? 5d. 2 plus 5d. 2 plus 5d we put on here this equation plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1 is 5 minus 1 whole into d. So here also d is same because अगर हम second term, ये second term है, ये first term है, तो second term में से first term को minus करेंगे तो 2 plus 6d minus 2 minus 5d. So this is 2 gets cancelled, so equal to d. So this is d. Okay. So next is equal to 5 by 2 whole into 2 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 10d plus 4d. So this is equal to 5 by 2 whole into 4 plus 14d, 4 plus 14d. So this is equal to, if you take 2 common here, then into 5 into 2 plus 7d. So this is divided by 2, so 2 gets cancelled. So this is equal to 10 plus 35d. So this is the sum of the next 5 terms. Okay. So this is the second equation. So as it is written here in the question that sum of the first 5 terms is equal to 1 by 4 of the next 5 terms. So this is sum of the first term for 5 terms is 10 plus 10d is equal to 1 by 4 of 10 plus 35d. 10 plus 35d. Okay. So this will be 40 plus 40d is equal to 10 plus 35d. So this is like 30d. 30 is equal to 35d minus 40d. So this is equal to minus 5d equal to 30. So d is equal to 30 by 5 minus 6. So this is d is equal to minus 6. d कितना आ गया? Minus 6. So we have to find out let's say हमें क्या find करना था? Show that the 20th term is minus 112. So 20th term will be a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into d. So this implies a 20th term we have to find out. So 20th term will be, first term कितनी है? 2, क्योंकि हमें तो स्टार्टिंग से लिखना था. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 2. So 2 plus n minus 1 is how much? 20 minus 1. And this is equal to 2, d is minus 6. So 2 plus 10 into minus 6. So this is equal to 2 plus 2 minus sorry, this is 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 6. 19 into 6. This is equal to 2 minus 6 to 54 112 minus 112. So we have to prove minus 112 here also. So this is like show that the 20th term is minus 112. So we have found out 20th term as minus 112. So this was the question. If you like my video, then you can just subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to receive the notification. And thanks for watching. Thanks for support. Thank you.